Alright.
Alright. Polyhope like, oh, watch out. Watch out. You like my cute dress?
Yep.
You like my cute dress?
Look good to me.
Oh yeah? I
Yep.
like it too. It's cute. It's cute. Oh, Mark. I can't see my face. Where are you?
Yeah, I see both of us.
Oh yeah? Cause my shade, it's really dark, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is I think 100%.
Oh.
The darkness,
Uh-huh.
the tint. So I cannot really see my face. I can barely see the mask because it's light color. The rest wala. Hi love. Hi love. Hi love. Oh. Watch out. Beep beep. Beep. That way. Han. Whoop. Sorry, baby. No worries. It's very quiet in here, guys. That's why we like to hang around here.
Yeah.
Because it's so quiet.
Well, it's early yet.
Woo!
5 o'clock. Most everybody on day shift are off by now.
Oh, yeah? I have to be careful. Oh, remember the shoes, Han?
Oh, is that where they are?
Yeah, that's where I went.
That's the big stand.
Yeah, they are so nice, huh? But good thing I'm not skinny enough for those sexy dress. Good thing I am not skinny enough, or else I'm gonna go crazy shopping. So guys, we are here at Lens Crafters now. We're gonna pick up a Lavis eyeglass. I'll wait here.
My phone's working. Okay, now what?
So hey you guys, today we are going to try this fun on Target. So what we do here? Woo, that looks cool. Han. That's really cool. I like the setup.
Yeah. I can't see this. It's all camouflage.
That's cool. Oh, that's nice, huh?
For this, if you get all 10 stamps, you get the 11th one for free, and you can use it here or Galleria.
Okay.
Also,
You
this
get
is
them all
like a
full.
card.
You get what?
You get the 11th one for free.
For
you
free.
Can use it here or Galleria.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
You have to use
Oh,
it
she's.
here.
Yeah.
Do you want your receipt?
Would you want to receipt, huh?
Nah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And I think I want to do this one.
Okay.
Do you guys want to shoot?
Yes.
How many?
Oh, yeah.
$30. Cash or card?
Auto load it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like fogging
Oh, yeah.
Did you have one of these or?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Okay lang. You wanna go first? Yeah. Oh, cool. How many shots for like
50 shots.
50 shots? Oh, okay.
There's 2, 4, 5. You guys want? Yeah. What's number 4?
Cool, honey.
So for this one, when you shoot, you have to shoot up to 4. Okay? You want to shoot? Did you want to shoot? No?
Cool. I'm tired, it's heavy. It's heavy. Han, can you hold it for me?
Yeah.
Adjust, it's on.
Yeah, it's a little too small.
I'm almost done.
Okay.
It's heavy.
You don't want to lean on the,
Like this?
yeah.
Oh, my purse. You wanna hold my, put it in your
Yeah,
shoulder.
I got it.
You wanna stay on the other side?
Yeah.
take you to the gateway. Come on.
In fact, if you aim on the little ones, you can aim just below it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, just below the target.
Which side? That one, they're so tiny, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jay, back up.
You guys don't want to shoot it?
Let's bring it down today.
Move forward with it. Move forward with it. Lean forward.
I'm out?
Hey, simple.
Tired.
You want to put it on auto?
Huh?
You want to put it on auto?
No. I wanna, because I wanna, you know, take my
Okay.
time.
All right.
I was.
Doing good. Yeah, you're doing good.
I got how many? No more? I
Yeah.
hardly see them. They're tiny. I think my eyes is no
Trust
good.
me, I know what you're talking about.
Get the safety
You're
glasses.
gonna go here?
Huh?
You wanna go here?
No. What? You mean to show you?
Yeah. Whoa, the tiny
Oh,
one is
come
hard.
on.
Oh. Yeah. So what happened?
You get a prize if you get them all.
Oh, so which one do you like? Which one do you like for your house? I'm still thinking.
I like the little white puppy dog says I love you.
Which one? The puppy?
The white puppy dog.
Oh, with the red one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. All right, good. I get my prize because I got everything in the board there. Board, whatever, the targets. Let's get our prize. For me, I like. We got a doggy dog. I think I want the. I'm not sure. I think something is cool is. I think I want the one with you hurry up, Lorica. Let me see yours. Cute dog for you.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Oh, it's for me.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna get the other dog also. Huh? Which one, hon?
I don't know. I think the brown one.
The brown dog? I'll see. Okay, so this one won't be lonely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yay!
Hey.
You wanna take a picture of me here?
Yeah. Hold on.